Hello, my dear student. Today's topic is dengue. Dengue fever is caused by the dengue virus, which is transmitted to humans through the bite of an infected mosquito, primarily the Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus mosquitoes. The virus has 4 different serotypes: dengue 1, dengue 2, dengue 3 and dengue 4, and infected with one serotype does not provide immunity against the other. The cause of dengue fever can be summarized as follows. Mosquito bite. The primary vector of dengue fever is the Aedes mosquito, which is found in tropical and subtropical regions. Virus transmission. When an infected mosquito bites a person, it transmits the dengue virus into person bloodstream. Viral replication. The virus replication in the body leading into a range of symptoms from mild to severe. Host factors. Factors such as age, sex and previous exposure to dengue virus can influence the severity of the disease. Environmental factors. Climate change, urbanization and poor waste management can contribute to spread of dengue fever by increasing the breeding site and population of Aedes mosquito. It is important to note that dengue fever is not contagious and cannot be spread directly from person to person. However, a person can infect multiple mosquitoes through their bites, which can then transmit the virus to other people. Prevention of dengue fever involves a combination of measures to reduce the breeding of Aedes mosquito and protect individuals from mosquito bite. Here are some ways to prevent dengue. Ultimate breeding site. Remove standing water around homes, schools and communities to prevent mosquito breeding. Use mosquito repellents. Apply insect repellents such as DEET, pyridine or oil of lemon to expose to skin and clothing. Wear protective clothes. Wear long sleeve shirts, long pants and socks to cover skin. Install window and door screens. Keep mosquito out of homes and buildings. Use air conditioning. Mosquitoes are less activity in cooler temperature. Implement integrated pest management. Use a combination of techniques such as larval control, adult control and biological control to manage mosquito population. Vaccination. Get vaccination against dengue if you live in an area where the virus is common. Practice good hygiene. Keep homes and surroundings clean and free of debris. Monitor for mosquito breeding. Regularly check for the ultimate mosquito breeding site. Take personal protective measures. Avoid traveling to areas with high dengue transmission and take precaution to prevent mosquito bites. Implement mosquito control program. Organize community-wide effort to control mosquito population. Conduct public awareness campaigns. Educate residents about dengue prevention and control measures. Provide access to health care. Ensure prompt medical attention for suspected dengue. By taking these measures, we can reduce the transmission of dengue fever and protect our communities from this prevent disease. Hello, my dear students.